Today I'm going to show you how to correctly install a car battery. Failed or discharged batteries are the #1 reason for unplanned vehicle breakdowns. It's important to check your owner's manual before starting any work on your car. Before we handle the battery or commence any works, we need to ensure the area you're working within is safe and clear of any risk to yourself or others. Check that the vehicle is in park with handbrake engaged before any work is carried out. You're handling hazardous material, so we always recommend that you wear the correct protective gear. This includes hand protection, like your gloves, and approved eyewear and footwear. Depending on where you are working, this may also include high visibility clothing. Before we start, there are a few checks we need to do on the battery. The first thing we want to look for is the condition of the battery and the area around it. Is there any damage to the case? Any cracks or leaks? Is the battery swollen or extremely hot? If this is the case, allow the battery to cool and take particular care when handling the damaged battery. We also need to check the terminals or posts for any corrosion which needs to be removed. Disconnect the negative battery cable first to prevent contact with positive terminal and shorting out car computer. There may also be a heat shield and mounting bracket that holds the battery down. Remove these carefully. Next, disconnect the red cable from the positive terminal. Lift the old battery from its cradle, taking care not to damage any paint or cables. Return your old battery to your nearest battery recycling depot or contact your local council. Check that the battery area, such as the tray and battery cable terminals, are new and new battery posts are clean and free from any foreign objects. If clamps or cables are corroded, it's a good time to replace them now. Position the new battery carefully and secure the mounting bracket. Connect the positive terminal to the positive battery post first. Followed by the negative terminal to the negative battery post last. Carefully tighten and secure. Start the vehicle and check that everything is running as per the manufacturer's specifications. Remove all tools and equipment and close bonnet once all works are complete.